hobbies include soaking up the sun on the beach and enjoying the luxurious sandbar. So the main focus of the Biodiversity Project will be on the beach. Prokaryotes reproduce through binary fission. This being said, prokaryotes are found almost everywhere, such as common locations like oceans, lakes, and soils. Prokaryotes guard the body against pathogens, decomposing dead skin cells, but in soil they help decompose dead organisms and other organic water material. Autotrophs can synthesize their own food for energy production, whereas heterotrophs must consume food to use for energy production. Bioremediations is the use of organisms to remove pollutants from the water, air, or soils. Stimulates the growth of certain microbes that use contaminants as source of food and energy. They can clean up the contaminated water while eliminating the impacts of the environment. Aerobic prokaryotes and fungi growing on the rocks remove much of the organic matter from the liquid. Fungi are heterotrophic, so they get the energy they need to live from other organisms. Their energy is stored in the bonds of organic compounds such as sugars and proteins. Fungi can be found in fresh waters, rivers, lakes, and oceans, and they reproduce asexually by fragmentation, budding, or producing spores. Amoebocytes also manufacture the fibers that make up sponges' skeleton, while in some sponges these fibers are sharp and spur-like. Although some sponges live in fresh water, the majority of the 5,500 or so are marine. Lakes and oceans are filled with bony fish, which has a lateral line system, a keen sense of smell, and excellent eyesight. Today's birds are toothless, an adaptation that trims the weight of the head, preventing uncontrolled nosedives. The basic energy source for all birds is the sun, and they reproduce by internal fertilization, during which the eggs is fertilized inside the female. Seaweed grows on rocky shores and just offshore. Their cell walls have slimy and rubbery substances that cushion their bodies against the agitation of the waves.